Let's get ready for a fun-filled afternoon. Together with Adventure, let's all welcome Lala Chan! Okay, sino marunong sumayaw? Ayan, lahat sila marunong Lala Chan. Pero syempre, tuturuan tayo ni Lala Chan ng ating dance step. First step, Lala Chan, anong gagawin? Okay, sabi ni Lala Chan, twist your body and then clap. Very good, ang galing ni Lala Chan. And next step, Lala. Okay, sabi ni Lala Chan, point to the right and point to the left. So, kids, are you ready to dance? Yes, come on. So if we're ready, come on, let's follow Lala Chan steps. Come on, kids, let's go.
It's time to begin. Count it in. 5, 6, 7.
Come on, please, everybody, go. All right, one. All right, Okay, kids, all eyes and ears. Dito sa harap ko. Sit down muna tayo. Sit down. Okay? Yan ang sinabi ko na hands up. Ayan, hands up ng mga ate. Alright? And then, pag sinabi ni ate na 3, 2, 1, pull the rope. Okay, we're going to count 15 seconds. Alright? Kung kanino mapunta yung marker. Alright? Pag may marker dito, sino yung panalo? Sino yung panalo? Si Ate Isabel. So, meron siya 1 point. Alright? Pero please sabihin natin mamaya meron tayo 3 rounds. Alright? Kung sino yung naka 2 points, siya yung panalo. Okay, naiintindihan po ba? Naiintindihan po? Okay, so ayan kids, are you ready? Yes, if you're ready. Ayan, syempre, mamaya. Sit down po natin, girl. Yes, Lala Chan? Okay, sabi ni Lala Chan, meron tayong safety reminders. Okay, first safety reminders natin ay no pushing. Alright. Second safety reminders natin ay ano gagawin ni Lala Chan? Okay, walk slowly then pumunta tayo sa ating ball area. And of course, anong gagawin Lala? Ayan, sabi ni Lala Chan, hold the rope firmly. Ayan, kailangan hawakan and hilahin natin yung rope. And of course, sabi ni Lala Chan, we must enjoy our game. So kids, are you ready? Yes, if you're ready, come on kids, stand up and then we'll group them into 2 groups. Alright, Team A si Ate Dan and Team B si Ate Isabel. Alright, dito ka baby girl. Ayan, Lala Chan. Siyempre, ayan yung ating mga kids. Come on, ilan yung team? Si Ate Dan. 5. Kay Ate Isabel, ilan si Ate? 4. Okay, kulang pa tayo ng isa Ate Sam. So, mamaya kukuha tayo ng isang kid. Ayan, Lala Chan. Gusto mo marinig yung cheer ng ating Team A? Yes, anong cheer ng Team A? Alright, sabi ng Team A ay, go, go, Team A. How about Team B? Let's go, Team B. Alright, so Lala Chan, mukhang ready na sila. So kids, hands forward. Alright, and mag-dance na tayo sa ating ball area. So Lala Chan, come on, let's go. Mauna tayo. And of course, tumawag ni Regardless and Perez. Come on, samahan natin yung ating mga kids. Come on, Team A and Team B. Alright, let's go. Come on, tayo sa ating ball area. Come on, let's go. Alright. Go Team A! Go Team B! Go Team A! Go Team B! Alright, come on! Team! Come on, let's go! Let's go! Ayan! Come on, yes! Team A and Team B, come on, let's go! Alright, team! And Team A, dito tayo sa ating right side and Team B sa left side. Okay? Ayan, nandito yung ating Team A. Okay, Team A, hands up! Everybody, hands up! Okay, Team B, hands up! Baby girl, atin na, ayan. Ayan, 5 yung Team A and 5 din yung Team B. Alright. Everybody, hands up! Everybody, hands up!
I'm on fire.
Okay, hands up! Yes! Ayan! Lala Chan, ready ka na ba? Yes, ready si Lala Chan. Come on, let's start our first round! Okay, mga parents, come on, let's go! Let's cheer our kids! Come on, let's go! Let's start our first round! And 3, 2, 1, pull the rope! Come on, kids! Alright, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hands up!
Check out time.
Hands up! Hands up, kids! Alright, Lala Chan, sino nanalo sa ating first round? Okay, sabi ni Lala Chan, nanalo ang Team B! Congrats! Ayan, TV, hands up. Everybody, hands up. Move forward natin. Move forward. Okay. Ayan, sa ating mga parents naman, let's support our kids. Okay, and Team A, are you ready? Yes, ready na ang Team A. How about Team B? Are you ready? Yes, paano naman yung ating mga parents? Ready na po ba? Yes, ready na din sila Lala Chan. So come on, let's start our second round. Alright, and 3, 2, 1. Father off! Come on, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up! Hands up! Alright, hands up! So, Lala Chan, sino nanalo sa ating second round? Alright, nanalo ang Team A! Congratulations! Meron din kayo 1 point. Ayan, 1 point each na ang Team A and Team B. Ayan, meron po tayong third round. Lala Chan, sa tingin mo sinong mananalo? Is it Team A or Team B? Sino Lala Chan? Ayan, hindi alam ni Lala Chan kung sino mananalo ngayon sa third round. Team A, move forward po. Come on, let's go. Team A, move forward. And then Team B, move forward. Alright. Come on, kids. Let's go. Alright, come on. Hands up. Everybody, hands up. TV, hands up. Okay, Lala Chan, simulan natin ang ating third round. Alright. And 3, 2, 1. Father off. Come on. 15, 14, 15, 14, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up! Hands up! Everybody, hands up! Okay, ayan Lala Chan. And then next ang ating third round. So, Lala Chan, sino nanalo sa ating game? Alright, congratulations! Nanalo ang Team B! Congratulations dahil meron kayong 2 points. Ayan, congratulations! It's okay, Team A, dahil ginawa niyo naman yung best niyo. High five! Alright, so dito naman tayo, kids, Team B, and then dito naman yung Team A, dahil meron tayong cheer for love. So, okay, Team A, come on, let's go here. Okay, dito muna tayo, kids. Alright, Team B. Ayan, congratulations dahil kayo nanalo sa ating game. So, ngayon, ganito yung gagawin natin, ha? Bigyan natin ng 3 claps ng Team A dahil ginawa naman nila yung best nila. And syempre, sabihin natin na good job. Okay, come on, let's give them a 3 claps. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay, dito naman tayo sa ating Team A. Team A, it's okay. Ayan, dahil ginalingan niyo naman. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin, bigyan natin ng 5 claps ang Team B dahil sila yung nanalo. And then sabihin natin, very good. Come on, let's do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, very good. And then, good job, very good kayo lahat. Siyempre, babalik tayo sa ating event area. Huwag kayo saan forward. Siyempre, muna kami ni Lala Chan. And susunod ang TV and next sa ating Team A. Alright, careful. Let's go, Lala Chan. Alright, come on, let's go. Come on, ready? Alright, careful. Ayan, sa harapan muna tayo ni Lala Chan. Dito tayo. Okay, kids, hands up. Everybody, hands up. Shake your hands. Shake your hands. Everybody, shake your hands. Alright, hands down. Hands down. Okay, so kids, nag-enjoy ba kayo? Napagod ba kayo? Yes, tayo na sumasayaw si Lala Chan. Ayan, dahil dyan meron siya surprise sa inyong lahat. Pero syempre, bago niya ibigay yung surprise, sasayaw daw tayo ulit. Syempre, yung favorite dance ni Lala Chan, which is Love is a Treasure. So kids, are you ready to dance? Okay, if you're ready, everybody stand up, hands up. Okay, hands up, and then get ready to jump. Come on, let's go, kids. And march. Up. All right, kids, wave your hands. Okay, wave to your right, and to the left. Okay, touch our shoulders. And our head. Let's jump. All right, wave your hands. And form a big circle. Let's do a fishy. And then march. Let's jump. Okay, wave your hands. Let's do the giving. Come on. And then point. And point around. Okay, come on. Bend your knees. And then come our shoulders. Turn around. Alright. Jump. And jump. And one. Hooray! Very good. Clap your hands, kids. Ang gagaling naman natin sumaya. So, ayan, sit down, everybody. Alright, everybody, please take your seat. Everybody, please take your seat. Ayan, sit down tayo lahat. Andito na yung surprise box ni Lala Chan. So, kids, ganito yung gagawin natin, ha? Bago natin ito buksan, meron tayo isisigaw. Ano yung isisigaw natin? Siyempre, surprise! Alright, anong isisigaw? Alright, so magka-countdown muna tayo, ha? Let's get ready. And 3, 2, 1! Surprise! Come on, kids! Everybody, let's get your balloons! Come on! Alright, be careful, kids! Okay, once you get your balloons, everybody can sit here. Everybody, lahat ng may balloons, sit down. Ayan, sit down muna po tayong lahat. Kung may balloons na po tayo, take your seat po. Ayan, syempre sa ating mga mommies and daddies, pag-ready po ng ating camera. Dahil meron po tayong group picture taking. Okay? So kids, take your seat. Everybody, please sit down. Alright, come on. Ayan, bibigay lang here, take your seat. Alright, so kids, ganito yung gagawin natin, ha? Pag sinabi natin na kids muna, you will shout, hooray! Anong isisigaw? Ano pong isisigaw? Okay, practice nga tayong lahat. And 3, 2, 1, kids muna!